The OnePlus Watch 2R will finally launch in India and other global markets on July 16th. Along with it, the company will also introduce the Nord 4, Pad 2, and Nord Buds 3 Pro. And this is the first look at the upcoming OnePlus Watch 2R. The OnePlus Watch 2R will be offered in forest green and gunmetal gray, showcasing a lightweight aluminum watch body with a distinctive bezel. The OnePlus Watch 2R is powered by the Snapdragon Wear W5 chipset paired with a BES 2700 additional low-power chip with 2GB of RAM, 32GB of storage running Wear OS. The display is the same at 1.43 inches touchscreen with 1000 nit peak brightness. It is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance and will be able to dive to 2.5 ATM. OnePlus Watch 2R not only boasts an impressive 100-hour battery life and support for fast VOOC charging, dual-frequency GPS, and more than 100 sport modes. The Watch 2R is also expected to be slightly cheaper than the OnePlus Watch 2. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.